नमस्कार दोस्तों, हमारे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम करेंगे इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन, जिसमें 400 वर्ड्स होंगे और स्पीड रहेगी 80 वर्ड पर मिनट। डिक्टेशन का कंटेंट आपको वीडियो के लास्ट में मिल जाएगा। यदि किसी वर्ड की आउटलाइन आपको बनाने में दिक्कत आ रही है तो आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में जाके उस वर्ड को लिख सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम आपको उसकी आउटलाइन साथ साथ बना के दिखा देंगे। शुरू करते हैं। गेट रेडी, स्टार्ट। नो एम्प्लॉय शैल बी ऑफर्ड री-एम्प्लॉयमेंट बियॉन्ड द डेट ऑफ हिज superannuation except when it is clearly on overriding grounds of public interest and where it is evident that other employees in service are not ripe enough to take up the appointment. Stop. However exceptional the caliber of the retiring employee may be, and however meritorious his services, these by themselves shall not constitute sufficient grounds for offering him re-employment. Stop. Re-employment shall not therefore be considered a reward for outstanding merit. Stop. Para. When the post on which the retiring employee is proposed to be re-employed is one to which recruitment is to be made through the Punjab Public Service Commission, a non-availability certificate to the effect that persons with suitable qualifications and experience are not available in the open market, or that it has not been possible for the Commission to arrange a suitable substitute with the requisite qualifications or experience should be obtained from the Commission. Stop. With a view to ensuring that bona fide efforts are made to find a suitable substitute for the person due to retire, the Commission shall be approached at least 4 months before the vacancy is scheduled to occur. Stop. If the post on which the retiring employee is proposed to be re-employed is one, the recruitment to which is beyond the purview of the Commission, the authority competent to make such recruitment shall record a non-availability certificate to the same effect as mentioned above, indicating clearly the efforts made to secure the services of a substitute. Stop. Para. The age of the employee proposed to be re-employed must be below 60 years, except in the case of patwaris, who may be re-employed up to the age of 70 years. Stop. Doctors may also be re-employed up to the age of 65 years. Stop. Para. The employee proposed to be re-employed shall have a satisfactory record of service. Stop. In particular, he should have had a good reputation for integrity and honesty. Stop. For this purpose, his character, role, and personal life shall be carefully scrutinized, and all other relevant information that may be available shall be taken into account. Stop. The employee proposed to the re-employed shall be physically and mentally fit. Stop. For this purpose he shall furnish a medical certificate from a civil surgeon. Stop. The proposed re-employed shall not advance the interests of other competent employees of comparable seniority in the department concerned. Full stop.